Hello guys, I'm Advocate Sanjay Arya from Laxis and Company. Today I am discuss about the parliament system democratic from a government in which the party with the greatest representation in the parliament legislature forming the government is later become a prime minister or challenger. Executive function are exercised by the member of parliament appointed by the prime minister to the cabinet. The party in a minority serving the opposition to the majority have to duty to challenge it regularly. Prime minister may be removed from the power whenever they lose the confidence of the majority of the ruling party or of the parliament. The parliament system organized in British. The parliament has adopted in several of its foreign colonies. Thank you so much, guys. And basic democratic deficit in insufficient level of democracy in political, industrial, and procedure in comparison with the theoretical idea of democratic government. The expression democratic deficit may be used to denote the absence, underdevelopment of key democratic institutions, but it may also be used to describe the various ways in which these institutions may be failed to function properly, e.g., lack of transparency and accountability, techno creative design making inadequate, but participation of citizen in policy making, evolution of the level of democratic disease focus on the procedure expected by democracy, reflected in mechanism represented and decision making. This further motion of democratic disease uncomposes distortious inflow of influence for the citizen to government. As such, it is closely associated with the issue of democratic legislative. Although maybe democratic system may potentially suffering from a democratic deficit. The concept is the most often used in contents of supranational institution, the European Union in particular. The most popular criticism of UE level of democracy referred to disposition of national institution that is not sufficiently compensated for the UE level. In a particular, the UE structure have been criticized for the unadequate level of parliament control over the decision making process. First, unlike in the UE member state, the role of the European Parliament in marginally because the executive branch of government, the Council of European Union and the European Commission play a key role in the legislative process. Second, because of its size, the UA is criticized for being too far removed from the ordinary citizen to adequately support democracy delicately. The participated in decision making and effective representing their interests. Another criticism point to the active UE institution, arguing that they lacking coordination and that the focus of UE politics remaining dominated by the national level procedure and cleavage. The UE is accused of being undemocratic mainly because of office holder are not directly depend and the accountable to their constitutions. The performance are these unlike to be effective in decisions. And however, this negative assessment of the democratic character of the UE have been challenged by the scholar who point out that the parliamentary model of European democracy is not a suitable benchmark for assessing democracy at the UE level because it is like a federalist state. And thank you so much, guys.